Many people have heard the same warning. Coffee makes you lose water. So every cup of coffee needs an extra cup of water. It sounds simple, and it can make coffee feel a little suspicious. You drink it to feel more awake. But in the back of your mind, you may wonder, is this cup helping my body or drying it out? Today's question is simple. Does coffee really dehydrate you? To answer that, we need to look at what caffeine does in the body. Caffeine can have a mild diuretic effect. That means it can temporarily increase the amount of urine your body produces. This happens because caffeine can influence how the kidneys handle water and salts. Your kidneys are constantly filtering your blood. They help decide what your body keeps and what leaves as urine. So yes, after drinking coffee, you may feel like you need to use the bathroom more often. But here is the important part. A diuretic effect is not the same thing as dehydration. Especially for people who drink coffee regularly, the body becomes somewhat used to caffeine. That means the water-losing effect is usually much smaller than many people imagine. And there is another fact we often forget. Coffee is mostly water. A cup of black coffee contains caffeine, but it also brings fluid into the body. So for most healthy adults, a normal amount of coffee does not simply take water away. It can still contribute to your daily fluid intake. But that does not mean coffee should replace water. Coffee is not just water. It contains caffeine, and people respond to caffeine differently. For one person, a cup of coffee feels smooth and helpful. For another, the same cup may bring a racing heart, an upset stomach, or a tense, wired feeling. Your body's response to coffee is connected not only to hydration, but also to your nervous system, digestion, sleep, and stress level. So the real lesson is not, coffee is bad. And it is not. Coffee is basically the same as water. The better understanding is this. Coffee does not automatically dehydrate you. But water still has a role that coffee cannot fully replace. Your body is not a simple math problem. It does not work like this. 1 cup of coffee in, 1 cup of water lost. Your body is always adjusting. Your kidneys and hormones are working in the background to help maintain fluid balance. But there are moments when water should come first. If you have just woken up, your body may already be a little low on fluid. If you have been sweating, if your mouth feels dry, or if your urine is darker than usual, your body may be asking for water before caffeine. That does not mean you need to give up coffee. It may simply mean changing the order. Before your first coffee today, pause for one quick check. Is your mouth dry? Is your urine darker than usual? Do you feel heavy, dull, or slightly dried out after waking? If the answer is yes, drink a glass of water first. Then enjoy your coffee. This is not about fearing coffee. It is about helping your body receive it better. Coffee can help you start the day, but water helps your body be ready to start the day. Today's practical step is simple. Before your first cup of coffee, drink 1 glass of water. Not because coffee is dangerous, but because your body may need hydration before it needs stimulation.